So, when'd you fall in love with hip hop?
In this box is a pair that I've been trying to get my hands on for a couple of years now. That's just unfortunate. Oh my, that's fucking unfortunate. Oh, this. Oh no! eBay, you gotta do better than this, man, for real. I'll try to glue it together or something a little bit later, but for now, let's go ahead and spin the block with another installment of Got 'em Tardy. Turn my swag on. Take a leg in the mirror. Brand new day, Milestone Mafia. Welcome back to Things and Stuff. I'm your host, Ja.
Well, don't worry. Don't worry. I'm not gonna do what you all think I'm gonna do, which is just flip out.
And as always, tremendously humble for every pair of eyes watching and every pair of ears vibing to what we got going on today. And as seen in the thumbnail description before you clicked, we will be going over the Unheardof times Adidas Rivalry Low, Erika's poem. Now, Phil Lipschitz, the founder of Unheardof brand based out of Cincinnati, has partnered with Adidas to release some true works of art. The man don't miss, and I really appreciate how he infuses himself into these collabs, allowing us an opportunity to interpret them and see how they're important to us. That's how you do a collab. All right, so these released a couple of years ago. When I seen the packaging, I was immediately like, I have to cop these. But being only limited to 1,100 pairs,
you gotta be quicker than that, buddy.
These were incredibly difficult to secure. Even on the resale market in my size, like nobody was selling them. So, you know, definitely shout out to Unheardof brand for getting these in the hands of sneakerheads who really wanted them. And also the person that sold me these. Dedicated to Phil's late sister, Erika, who tragically passed in 2005. By the way, you're not alone. Even when you feel isolated, God still loves you. The packaging is designed like a Norelco box from a cassette tape. And I am so disappointed that this is broken. I'm trying to keep it together on camera. I'm gonna be real with you. So. It was released in 3 different versions: a yellow packaging, which was exclusive to the in-store release, a red one, which is a friends and family, and this blue one, which was strictly online. And as you open it up, you get a J card with some artwork designed to look like Erika's room. You see the cats in the dirty laundry and all that. And the front side, you know, the same thing with the posters and all that. Man, look at that. What is that, Nirvana right there? Got a No Doubt poster. We're going to get to that in a second. Not the cross-branded with Air Force One. Of course, some Adidas, though. And then we have the shoes. Woo. These? Man, these are just beautiful. The detailing on this is insane. Let's go ahead and do it. First off, the underlay with the leather. Very soft. And as you can see on the underlay, there's a transcription of a poem that was found in one of Erika's notebooks after her passing. He took the 3 stripes off the medial side so that you can see it better. I think that's a pretty cool choice. Also comes with an insert that has the copy of Erika's poem right here, transcribed in her handwriting. I think that's a pretty cool touch. A hairy suede with the 3 stripes here, which goes into, makes it look like 2 stripes. Around the back of the heel, you get these flies, which is a nod to a No Doubt album. For all the reviews that I've seen, they come with a couple of hang tags. I don't know if that was strictly for the in-store or whatever, but I'll be honest with you. I mean, we're not going to be able to put these on the ground. I'll give you some close-up shots, but it's going to be me and eBay about this one right here because I'm a little upset. I'm not going to lie. 5 sets of laces. I have no idea which one of these I'm going to pick. I guess they're just all going to be different for, you know, the different occasions. This orange right here pops off that tongue tag. Specialized detail artwork on the insole, which is pretty cool. And I'm so sorry, y'all. I'm probably not doing a good job at this. Man, I wanted that to be a lot better, but y'all, I'm just, like, comment, subscribe. I'm not in the mood right now. You know, you want your unboxing experiences to be, you know, just that, like an experience. And I'm not gonna lie, man, that was absolutely ruined. I'm not gonna entirely blame eBay. Maybe we blame FedEx or whoever it is. It's me and you, eBay, about this. Other than that, y'all, man, be on the lookout for some more videos, man. We got a couple more releases that we about to do coming up soon. And man, let's just run the B-roll, man.
You've got to do better, Senator. You've got to step up.
Alone in my corner, I sit, I think. I dream of the things that assign you to me. I wonder. Here in my corner, I lie, I breathe. I tell myself it's all over for me. I linger on you for a moment longer, and I wonder. There in my corner, I write and I sleep. I replay the moments I had to keep. I take in the poison, choke on a screen. I wait, no one resting with me. I wonder. Alone in my corner, all by myself. In my corner, I cry and I bleed. Sweet, innocent drops comfort what I need. There's something missing that I left me, and still I wonder. In my corner, I feel and I see. I steal a glimpse of what I used to be. I break my promise, begin my plea, and ask for a cure to this disease. But still, I'm empty. Why? Alone in my corner, I wonder. Erika.